Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness and Global Business. There is a very beautiful story in Upanishad, a story of two birds. One bird sitting on the lower branch of the tree and eating sweet fruit and shouting in pleasures, and when eating bitter fruit, crying loudly. Another bird sitting on the higher branch of the tree is totally in equanimity. It transcended the gross material reality. That's why from that higher side it sees the infinite possibilities of life. Similarly, when you transcend the gross material reality and come to the level of transcendental consciousness, infinite field of possibilities, then you can see the tremendous possibilities of your business. Your business may be from supply side or demand side, no issues. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, you can text me or call me. My number and the links of my blog and other social handles given below in the description. Namaste.